Hi, welcome to the EB-303 shop. Today we're going to take a look at our folding brackets with the built-in soft close damper. Now, to some of you, these may look familiar because they actually are our EB-303 folding brackets with a new built-in damper. These are perfect for any folding table application, like so. Now, our EB brackets are actually stainless steel and can be used outside. The new ones with the damper can also be used outside for outdoor use. Our EB brackets are really strong themselves. They have a rating of 330 pounds in the middle, 165 pounds in the end. The actual damper itself, for one piece, it can dampen up to 13 pounds, and for two pieces up to 26 pounds. You can combine it with a damper and without a damper so you can get the perfect speed that you need. So for example, first you have the levers to release it, let it come down, and then when it's down, fold, and to bring back up, you simply lift up and it automatically engages when in a open position. Now the EB brackets are very easy to install. You do not require any hinge because the EB bracket is the hinge itself. Besides that, all it really requires are some screws at the bottom of the table and some screws on your substrate. Besides the damper itself, which is a safety feature, the triggers are actually designed to prevent any pinching of your fingers. So go ahead and contact your local sales rep and local distributor for more information. Until next time.